Hello guys. Today we're playing Build a Farm RNG.
Naglalakad lang nga ako ah.
And we're playing again with one of my friend.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Daniel Troy de Guzman.
Yeah.
We're going to play Ring Farm RNG.
Yes. Oh, my offline is actually 3 mil. Noise.
How many?
I got 3 mil. Let's go gambling.
Settle.
Speed. And then start it all. Pull. Let's pull the lever.
Oh, the next event is going to have
Empty. I think we should actually expand our thing.
Brr, carrot, nothing. Where are you, Sian?
I'm here, just gambling. And this is my friend Daniel. He's actually in her alt account, that's why. He's actually the my friend who helped us play Rivals in the last video. What?
Whoa!
2.5. I don't have that a lot. Yeah, but I'll still take this.
I have a strawberry.
Noise.
I will upgrade it.
Can't afford that, bro.
Not enough cash.
You know what? I'll just get the citrus. Oh, never mind. I thought I was in 800.
What is the best gun in here?
Best plan? I think it's this one. I don't know what is this.
Transcendent?
Wait, they have pets?
Bro, I don't know that.
Look at the index and look at the pets.
Bro, the transcendent.
They have bro, look, he has pets.
Bro, what's that? Ocean?
How can we get pets? I think. Next planter.
Whoa!
Where?
Big mammoth.
Oh, wait.
Look at there. Look at in this place.
Why? Where do we go ahead and then buy the animals? Don't know where to buy. Hey, what's this? Oh, so that means we're just actually neighbors.
Yeah.
Yeah, just noticed. Wait. What is your farm? Oh, so you're just starting.
I have a carrot, pumpkin, and strawberry.
Oh, my best plant is actually just blueberry.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna waiting for the.
Hey, you know what? Let's try to save up for the corn. For the corn seed. Because I already have 123.
Okay?
Yes, 123k.
Whoa.
How much money do you have?
100. 990.
Ready si mama? Huh?
866.
Oh, wait, do I have cabbage?
But my
Grocery.
oh, cabbage.
You know what? Let's just go ahead and buy a cabbage. This
Do you have
one-
a cabbage seed?
Yes, just one.
Me too.
Yeah.
But I don't have the money.
Hmm? May apa yun? Saglit lang man yun eh. Isang oras o dalawang oras lang. Plan. Then I'll spam it. Plan. Okay. So, cabbage is my favorite. Ilan? 2 My cabbage is actually the best. Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna. Hindi? Uy. Hmm. No, not my favorite. Hmm? Oh, thank you. Oh, not yeah. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Oh, so this is where we get the pets.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, yeah. I see.
What egg do we have? Just a common egg. Yeah, got it. Oh wait, we have one spin in the garden wheel.
Where?
Here, we got one spin here next to the pets. Please, oh, I want a melon seeds. Well, okay, it's okay.
But I don't have.
You have one free, I think.
Ah,
Yeah,
brr, I'm logging.
yeah. I'm lagging too.
Ooh, I have a tropical seed pack.
Nice.
How about you?
Nah, I'm just 5 minute skip.
Start!
Hmm?
Starboard!
Oh! Yeah, lucky
Lucky
you.
day!
Yeah, lucky you. Whoa, bro, my neighbor just got a lot of buff. My neighbor got rich actually.
Yeah, yeah. 30k per unit! 30k
Dang,
per unit!
absolute cinema.
So I'm gonna spend my money in buying fla.
Hey yo, lovely. I got my best plant is the plum now.
Oh, really, Ben?
Oy, Wayne.
Your plan will gonna, ano?
Plum is my thingy now.
Wow, nice one.
Yeah. 300 plus if not upgraded.
My, my, mine is, if not upgraded, is 13k.
Mm,
Hmm.
why?
I'm going to upgrade my sprinklers power.
I'm actually lagging. Buying more plot.
Brr.
No, no,
May
no.
mga codes. There are a lot of codes.
Oh, you want to maybe look at some codes.
And you will redeem it?
Yes, and I will help you.
Yeah.
Whoa, who's this? Who's this dude? Who's this dude?
I don't know. Ay, wait lang. Maybe later. Because there are vectors.
Mm,
No.
mm.
So,
Maybe just research some codes. Yes.
okay, okay.
Oh, tracker gave me 2 minutes skip.
Alright. Code.
I'm actually lagging.
Here's the code.
Do I get a peach seed?
Bro!
Hmm?
Mo!
Wait. What? 25 0
K users.
Oh, I got a lot of money. I got a lot.
Oh.
What's the next one?
Rush. Plant. Rush.
Plant
Rush.
rush.
Plant rush.
That didn't know. Oh, I got one. Wait, what's the next one?
Update 2.
Update. Wait, what?
2.
Yeah.
There, that
Oh.
seed pack,
What?
I get a server.
Thank you.
Atom spray. Derp.
Wait. Oh! Please.
Oh! Me! You are supposed to get...
Yeah. Wait, did I actually really? Oh, incorrect code. What's next? Barf. Barf what? Yeah, acid spray. What's the
Tapos,
next?
2K likes.
2K likes.
Update 1.
Yeah, and what's that again?
Update 1. Big capital O.
Update
1.
1. What's the next?
100K visits in 5 minutes. I guess.
100K visits. Oh, yes. I got a lot of money and a lot.
Can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
How? Chat.
Yes.
Yes.
Chat me about the code.
200K user.
Hmm?
Ay, 250K user. Ito. You can...
No, what the fuck is? Wait.
No, please.
And send it to me. So we can
In
order.
your Facebook?
Yeah. Messenger. Oh wait. I don't know. Oh yeah.
Ah,
Hmm?
si, ito? Okay.
Okay, let me see if I get the.
Notification.
Yeah. I think so. Yes.
No. Huh? Okay, it's okay.
It's okay. I got star fruit. Yes. And it makes.
Burp. May man...
13. No.
Yes, that's mine. That's also have... I also have...
Strong fertilizer. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. 250K.
Wait, let me see if I actually buy it. No, I don't think I actually buy it. But let's gamble for some more.
Here?
Maybe just look at our chats.
Where?
Look at our chat. My chats.
Um,
That one that you. Oh, I got a sunflower seed. Let's go. Yep, yes, I got the sunflower.
look at the... Bro.
Oh wait, let me wait out. I think I should just type it. 25.
Plant.
Okay.
Wait na, tapos na. I'm done.
Ano naman? What's next?
Plant rush. Plant rush.
Oy, Duda, wag ka dyan mag-chat. And what's next?
2K...
2, not that.
2K likes.
2K.
Like,
Yes. Ano pa? And what's next?
100 visits. 100K visits. Okay lang yung kahit di capital.
Okay, what's next?
Also, update 1. Update 2.
Update 1 and 2? Wait. Do we have 2? Do I already claim 2?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any more?
No.
And just
That's
join me.
that's all.
Okay, then join me.
There.
Okay, so my friend just asked me if I want to get some codes, and I said yes. So that's why you saw earlier that I collected some codes, and I got a lot of stuff. You remember, and I got the starter.
Yeah. Thank you.
And actually, let's thank him for actually sacrificing his game just to actually um tell us the code.
Yeah.
W man. W.
Thank you. No.
Hmm?
Your position in line one. Can we go in private?
Not
Oh no
yet.
no 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 no
Hmm?
no 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 no. Because the codes will
Hmm. Alright, I'll just go and then.
wait. I'm going to
Hmm?
other server and
Oh yeah, just collect it before I leave.
what is the code? Plant rush.
Yes. There. Just don't mind the one. Don't mind the one.
2K like.
Guys is actually doing the. My friend is actually doing the code right now.
Hmm. 100 basic. Maybe after 5 years, you'll tell the viewers that you will be officially in my videos. Okay. Um. Update.
One.
Update.
Okay. Guys is he's collecting the code that just actually tell him. Update two.
Okay.
Yes. Now I can leave.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, guys. This is going to be the end of our part two series.
We're
May
going back.
maybe we will make a part three after this. Maybe. Goodbye, guys. See you later, and never forget to like and subscribe, please.